guys, welcome back. So I'm so excited. A few weeks ago I announced that our summer collection is on the way, and I've been waiting for it in the post for the longest time. Like, I don't know what's happened, but finally here. I'm going to be showing you guys some of our braided wig summer collection that you can rock this summer. The hot season are here and you want to look beautiful with our braided wig. Our summer collection is for you. So this is all one of our braided wig. This is the single braided wig that is currently available. This is super long, super gorgeous, and this one you can rock as well for summer. If you're one of those people who love long hair and you don't care what season it is, this is perfect for you. So you can please check us out on www.ivieGlam.com, and you'll be finding this wig there right now. Alexa, pause. You'll be finding this wig on our website. So let me just go ahead and show you guys our braided wigs. So this is a package that came in today. I was so excited. I'm like, I have to film an unboxing video. I've been waiting for this package more than almost a month now. Almost a month, about a month now. Okay. I've been waiting for this package for about a month, and I'm so excited, and I really want to do an unboxing video for you guys. So I'm going to be putting some of them on so that you guys can see how gorgeous our summer collection braided wigs are. All right, so the first one is this short braided wig with beads at the end. This is perfect for summer, guys. If you're somebody who don't like long braids during summer, this is perfect. This is just amazing because you won't have to deal with those extra weight, not weight, like extra long hair on your body. So this is just perfect. Look at how gorgeous this is. Look at it, the beads are amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on for you guys like this. Let's take this off. I'm going to put it right on the table here. So let's turn the camera a little bit. So this is one of the wig. I'm going to put it on. It comes with adjustable elastic band, and it's really thick, and you can also adjust the wig inside as well. It comes with the wig hook. So guys, your wig is going to be secure on your head, so you don't have to be afraid that it's going to like you know what I mean. If you have experienced it before, you know what I mean. I have, so you know. So I'm just going to put this on so that you guys can see. Look at how gorgeous this look, guys. So this is our summer collection braided wig for this hot season. Look at how beautiful this is. Super gorgeous. You can rock this to any beach party, to any place during summer. You don't have to deal with the hotness, and super lightweight. So let's move on to the next. All right, so our next braided wig is this super gorgeous 11 cornrow braid that you can rock for the summer. All of them are the same, very super lightweight with elastic band, adjustable elastic band. And I'm just going to put this on so that you guys can see. This is super gorgeous. You can like rock this for summer. Like, you can rock this simple braids that you can rock. I'm here, I'm ready. Let's go summer. We are ready for you. Those hot season, we are right here. Look at how gorgeous this is. Look at how gorgeous this wig is. Ready for the next one? Let me show you guys the next wig. So this is our last wig for the summer collection braided wig. I'm going to put it on so that you guys can see. This one is almost similar to the last one that I just put on, but with this one you have one big one, one small one, one big, one small one, one big one, one small one, one big one. This is super gorgeous. This is super lightweight as well. All the braided wigs are super lightweight. Look at how gorgeous this is as well. So guys, this is a summer collection braided wig. Please hurry up to our website www.IvieGlam.com. Hurry up, go grab your braided wig. Hurry up, go get your braided wig for this summer. You will not regret it. You need at least one braided wig in your wig collection. I don't care what you say, you need at least one, because you know, you don't want to be sitting down in the salon for hours to get your hair braided, cornrowed. You want to get a wig that you can put on and take off at the end of the day, and the wig that you can always come back to. This is reusable. This can last you for many years. Like, look at this. Just take a look at this. How gorgeous. Nobody will be able to tell that this is not cornrow from your scalp. This is not cornrow from your hair. Like, look at how gorgeous this is. You can glue this down. You can adjust it to your head size if you don't want to glue it down, and it's secure on your head. Look at how gorgeous this braided wig is. So guys, hurry up. Click on my link on my description box. It will take you straight to our website. Hurry up and get yours, because we have limited offers. I mentioned this is our summer collection, and hurry up and get your braided wig today with us. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.
It's Fake Kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she run another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere you go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good